Let's talk tires. Okay, uneven tread wear, that's a real thing.
It shortens tire life, hurts performance, compromises safety and security.
And it happens on every vehicle. So tire rotation, that's no gimmick. Think about it. Your front tires usually carry the weight of the engine plus do all the steering. So they wear differently than your rear tires. Now consider whether your vehicle is front, rear, or all-wheel drive. It matters because the tires that provide the forward traction wear at a different rate than the tires that don't. So hey, rotate your tires. Every 6,000 to 8,000 miles is recommended, depending on your vehicle and how you drive. It'll help your vehicle perform better. Plus, it can help increase the life of your tires, which can save you some cold, hard cash. So if your tires are due for a rotation, bring them to the Mopar Tire Specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.